Hi Eagles. Today we are going to talk about order of operations. Order of operations are rules that must be followed in math. It's like the order of operations police insists you follow these rules. If you don't follow them, you're not going to get the correct answer. Now there is a saying that you can use to help you remember, and it's PEMDAS. And P stands for parentheses, and parentheses always come first. So that is your first step. E stands for exponents, like 3 to the third power. And that is always your second step. Your third step is multiplication and division, and that comes from left to right. And that's step number 3. And then your fourth step is addition and subtraction, and that also comes from left to right. So those are the steps you must follow. Now, you maybe have heard, instead of PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please stands for parentheses, excuse stands for exponents, my stands for multiplication, dear stands for division, Aunt stands for addition, and Sally stands for subtraction. PEMDAS is the one you hear most often now, but years back, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally was used most often. So these are the steps you must always follow, and it's very important if you want to get the correct answer that you follow them. So I suggest if you are working on evaluating expressions or solving math problems that have order of operations, mixed operations in there, you write PEMDAS down on your paper. And you might even want to put a parentheses, an exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction to help you. Remember the rules. So let's take a look at an order of operations. We'll start with a basic one first. Let's say you have 8 plus 7 inside parentheses divided by 3. Looks like my pencil is starting to run out of ink. So, looking at your steps, parentheses must always come first. So we have a parentheses problem, so we would just solve 8 plus 7, which of course we know is 15, and then we bring down the rest of the problem divided by 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So when we evaluate the problem, we get 5. Next problem we're going to look at is not going to have parentheses, but it's going to have exponents. So when we look at our PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. If there are no parentheses, next is exponents. So we have 7 to the second power, which a review of exponents would be 7 times 7, which of course is 49. This is the base. This tells you how many times to multiply the base. And then we bring down the rest of the problem. 60 plus 27 minus 49. Now we have addition and subtraction. And our rule is addition and subtraction go left to right, just like multiplication and division go left to right. So we would need to do our addition first, 60 plus 27, which if you're not sure, you should stack and get 87. And then 87 minus 49, bring down the rest of the problem. And again, I would recommend stacking that. 7 minus 9 you cannot do, so we need to go to our tens place and borrow a 10. So we'll have 7 tens left. We're going to exchange that 10 for 10 ones. And 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. So when you evaluate the expression, you get an answer of 38. Let's look at another example. Let's look at, and again, we'll write our PEMDAS, because it's always helpful to have that on your paper. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, left to right, addition, subtraction, left to right. So this time we're going to have 4 multiplied by 6 plus 3 in parentheses. Now we have a multiplication and a division, and if you look up here, multiplication and addition, but when you look up here, multiplication comes before addition. However, these parentheses tell you you must do them first. So we need to solve inside the parentheses. 6 plus 3 is 9. Bring down the rest of the problem. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. I hope this video helped. Please send me an email and let me know which problem you liked best after watching this video. Thanks. Have a great day.